All right, roundabout. Clearly looking for the third exit. Okay, that's fine. People do not anticipate this stuff. We got a car right there. All right. He's gonna cruise around. Whoa! Great job on this rider. So, I don't know what that driver's doing. You see that? You see that driver on the corner? Way over there? What is he doing? He's crossing the middle. Is that something? Let me know in the chat. Is that something that you can do? Because people are cutting across. So this right here is what I like. 360 situational awareness. So this is what your mirrors are for. If you see something uncommon in a common situation, like if you should not see a car like this close, be on high alert. You should already be in orange stage because this is, is an intersection. So right here, cutting across, he recognized it. He saw it. He saw what was happening. From here, you start to like, okay, I'm going to kind of stay a little bit as still as possible. So I'm going to roll off the throttle and maybe get prepped and ready for a good position for my own safety because this is uncommon in a common situation. What is this guy doing? He's obviously pointed where I want to go, so I'm just going to let him have it. It's a big vehicle. I'm on a motorcycle. It's a big vehicle. I'm going to make sure he has it.